Question number 6. What we have is in here. We have a question we need to prove in here. Okay. So first thing, what do you see by looking at the question? What do you see? I see it is cos of pi by 4 minus x, cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sine of pi by 4 minus x sine of pi by 4 minus y, and that is equal to sine x plus y. So come on guys, try. So tell me, how should I do this problem? Tell me fast. How should I solve this question? Come on, look at the question properly and tell me, how should I solve? Can anybody try? Acha, I will give you a hint. All those formulas which you have learned yesterday, it's related to this. The question is related to that one of those formulas. So look at here. If I look at this carefully, what I see in here is it is cos A cos B. This one is A and this one is B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Yes or no? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And whose formula is that? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Whose formula is that, guys? Uh, Roll your pages. Yes, so write down here. We know cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to cos x plus y, cos x plus y. Then you write, Acha, here you write LHS, LHS. Then cos of pi by 4 minus x cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sine of pi by 4 minus x sine of pi by 4 minus y. By applying this formula, can I write this one equal to cos of a plus b, right? It's what, x plus y. So this plus this it will be. So pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Yes or no, guys? Everyone clear? Am I clear, everyone? Now what we see in here? Pi by 4 plus pi by 2. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. So 45 plus 45 is what? 90. So I can write cos of pi by 2. Now both of them has minus. X and y both are minus. So I can take minus common. So I get this thing. Yes or no? Now by applying that formula, cos 90 cos pi by 2 minus x. This is equal to what? Sin x, right? So here you see cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. So that thing is equal to what? Sin of x plus y. Everyone clear? Yes or no? All we need to do is memorize the formulas and every single problem is easy. Okay? Clear? So let's move on to question number 7. Let's move on to question number 7. So question number 7 is tan of pi by 4 plus x, pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is my question number 7. Now how should I solve this one? In order to solve this one, what I see here, I see tan x plus y and tan x minus y we see in the left hand side. The formulas we can apply. So tan x plus y, we know the formula. What is the formula of tan x plus y? It is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. That is the formula of tan x plus y. And what is the formula of tan x minus y? It is just formulas. It is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. 1 plus tan x tan y, right? So just use this formula and do put those formulas in the left hand side. So left hand side will be equal to what? Tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x. This is my left hand side. Divided by, what is tan pi by 4 minus x? That will be tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x. Yes or no? Everyone clear? Understood? Now, what is the value of tan pi by 4? The value of tan pi by 4 is what? 1. So I will write 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, because tan pi by 4 is 1, and divided by, look at the numerator, again 1 minus tan x, and the denominator is what? 1 plus tan x. Yes or no? Now let us take, so what I will do, the next thing I will do is taking this 1 plus tan x up and taking this 1 minus tan x down. So what do you get? 1 plus tan x whole square divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. So that is equal to my right hand side, and that's proved. Everyone clear? It's so easy. All we need to do is to put those formulas and the answer will just come out by simplifying through it. Okay, it's nothing in this chapter. There is nothing in this chapter. Acha, let's do question number 8. Question number 8. So what we have in here is cos pi plus x cos minus x divided by sine pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Cot square x. So we have to prove this thing. So first thing, can anybody tell me what is cos pi plus x? What is the value of cos pi plus x? Let's see. What is the value of cos pi plus x? Come on guys, tell me fast. Cos pi plus x, what is the value? This is pi. Acha, somebody says sin x. Let's see whether it's sin x or not. Is there anybody who's having different answer? Is there anybody who's having different answer? Nobody has any answer. First of all, you see cos pi plus x. This pi is an even multiple of 90. So when it's even multiple of 90, cos will remain cos. Cos will remain cos. I told you what, whenever we have even multiple of 90, cos will remain cos. If it's odd multiple, then cos will change into sine. So pi is even multiple. Okay, then pi plus x lies in which quadrant? Look, this value, actually wait a second, let me do it another pen. This much from 0 to pi, this is pi. Now pi plus x. So I'm just adding another angle in here. So this is my pi plus x. It lies in third quadrant. And in third quadrant, cos is negative. So I have minus cos x. I have minus cos x. How hard was it? Minus cos x. And what is cos of minus x? Cos of minus x is what? Come on, tell me fast. We have done that formula. Cos of minus x is? It is cos x. Just cos x. Now tell me sine pi minus x. Guys, tell me fast. How much is that? Sine pi minus x. How much is that? Do it like this. Do like this and tell me sine pi minus x. How much is that? Come on, fast. Huh? Somebody says some. Fine. One is saying minus sine x. Is there anybody another answer? Acha, somebody says just sine x. There is no minus sign in front of that. Okay, you are right. This one is wrong. Again, the same problem. Pi. This is pi. So it's an even multiple. So sine will remain sine. Now pi minus x means what? Pi minus x is, look at here. Pi minus x is what? This is pi. Minus x is means what? It is less than pi. So the angle will be here. So the angle will lie in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, sine is positive. So it will be sine x. Am I clear? The one who is saying minus sine x, is it clear? Please don't confuse it, okay? Don't confuse it. So I have sine x in here. Acha, chalo, tell me, what is cos pi by 2 plus x? Cos pi by 2 plus x, how much is that? What is that? Cos pi by 2 plus x. Very good. Hey, minus cos x. It is minus sin x. Look at here. Cos pi by 2 plus x. So pi by 2 plus x means what? It is 90 degree. Odd multiple of 90. So I have, it becomes sine. Now 90 plus x means what? Which quadrant does it lie? 90 plus x lies in, it is 90, then plus x. It lies in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, cos is negative. So I have minus sine x. Okay, so what happens in here? So what happens? Minus minus gets cancelled away. We have cos square x divided by sine square x, and we have cot square x. That's my answer. It's so easy, but we cannot have the so much confusion about finding these angles. Please go through those trigonometric videos. Okay, don't have so much confusions about this. Acha, question number 8 is done. Acha, let's do question number 9. So question number 9 is your cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. So chalo, tell me guys, what is the value of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x? Now I will just draw you the quadrants. So I have 0 degree in here, I have pi by 2 in here, I have pi in here, and I have 3 pi by 2 in here. So tell me, what is cos pi 3 pi by 2 plus x? Tell me fast guys. Huh? Cos 3 pi by... Hey, mute your audio. What is the value of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x? I'm just asking this portion. What is the value of this thing? Huh? First thing, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 means what? It's odd multiple of 90, right? So cos will become sine. Cos will become sine, right? Yes or no? Now tell me, 3 pi by 2 plus x lies in which quadrant? 3 pi by 2 plus x lies in which quadrant? Think and answer. It lies in fourth quadrant. Very good. So this much is 3 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 plus x. Yes, very good. It's more than. So it lies in fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, cos is positive or negative? In fourth quadrant, cos is positive or negative? All sine, tan, cos. Cos is positive. Guys, please revise. It will be sine x. It will be sine x. Now cos 2 pi plus x. For cos 2 pi plus x, I don't need to do anything. I see 2 pi as one complete cycle. So I will remove the complete cycle. I have cos x in here. I will just write like that. Okay? Clear? I have already told you guys, whenever we see complete cycle like that, I remove it. Now this one, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Acha, for this one, let us do like this. Cot, like cos 3 pi by 2 minus x. I can do the shortcut, but forget it. Sine. Acha, should we do the shortcut? Acha, let's do the shortcut. Forget it. We don't do like that. Let's do the shortcut. Acha, now cos 3 pi by 2 minus x, right? So again you see it's an odd multiple of 90. It is an odd multiple of 90. And if it is an odd multiple of 90, cot will not remain cot. It will change into something else. Can anybody tell me it will change into what? It will change into what? Very good. It will change into tan. So it will change into tan. Now the next thing I have to check, 3 pi by 2 minus x lies in which quadrant? 3 pi by 2 minus x lies in which quadrant? Think and tell me. 3 pi by 2 minus x lies in which quadrant? It lies in Third quadrant, very good. Look at here, 3 pi by 2 is this much. 3 pi by 2 minus x means what? Less than 3 pi by 2. So it lies in third quadrant. And in third quadrant, cot is positive. In third quadrant, tan is positive. So cot is also positive. So it will be just tan x. It will be just tan x. Now, cot 2 pi plus x, it's very, very easy. Again, you see 2 pi. Again, we see 2 pi. So I will write cot x. I will just write cot x in there. Finished? Yes. Now, let's write in terms of sin x and cos x. So what do you have? Sin x, cos x. So we have sin x by cos x plus cos x by sin x. Now let's multiply. Let's multiply. What do you get? This multiplied this thing. So I get, let's write sin x cos x into sin x by cos x plus sin x cos x into cos x by sin x. So what happens? This sin x goes, this cos x goes. So what we have? Sin square x plus cos square x, and sin square x plus cos square x is 1. We have learned this one in class 10. Trigonometric identities, right? So that's how it is proved. So I will write RHS. Okay, clear? So easy. Guys, you have to revise. You cannot just put everything for tomorrow. You have to do your work today. Once you have learned, please revise. Don't leave today's lesson for tomorrow. Acha, let's see who can tell me this one. Question number 10. Who can tell me this one? What should I do it in here? It's all about looking the question very, very carefully. Chalo, tell me now. What should I do? How should I proceed this question? But we have to prove one thing I know. We will be dealing with left hand side. But tell me, what should I do? It's like, what should I say? Suppose you have been taken into taken to the peak of a mountain. Okay, either you solve this problem or you will be thrown from there, or you will be pushed. Okay, so it's your death and solving this problem situation. So either you solve this problem or you will die. It's like that. So tell me now, think and solve. How can you solve this question? Tell me first, and I will give you a hint. Again, those type of formulas, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x minus y, they will come to your help. So which formula should I apply and solve it? Chalo chalo, life and death situation in here. Yes? Which formula? Louder, louder, louder. Yes, you're going in the right direction. Tell me. Sine? Sine nana. Come on, come on. You're going to die, I guess. I cannot help you guys anymore. Jaldi bolo. I hate to push you guys. Sin x plus y. Acha, somebody said sin x plus y. Is there any different answer? What is the formula of sin x plus y? The formula of sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. But here what do you see? Here both are same, sin x, cos x. Here it's sin cos, right? But here we don't have sin cos sin. So I cannot use sin in here. I have to use cos in here. Okay? And which formula of cos we should apply? Which formula of cos? There is cos x minus y and there is cos x plus. Yes, we'll apply cos x minus y. Why? Because for cos x minus y, the middle one will become plus. Cos x minus y will apply. So let's do it. So here I will write, we know, what do we know? Basically they have interchanged this one. That's why you are facing confusion. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equal to cos of x minus y. This is the formula, right? Okay. So now what we have is, now sine of n plus 1 x sine of n plus 2 x plus cos of n plus 1 x cos of n plus 2x, that is equal to what? That is just, look at here, cos a cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So I will write this one as cos of x minus y. So it will be n plus 1 x minus n plus 1 y. That is it. So let us solve. What do we get? Acha, from where we are getting y in here? It is n plus 2. Uh-huh. Wait a second, guys. N plus 2 x. So this is it. What do we get? Cos x minus cos y. So what do we have? Cos of, let's multiply, nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. So minus nx and nx goes out. So we have x minus 2x, that is cos of minus x, and cos of minus x, we already learned this formula. It is cos x. So that is equal to right hand side. So that's proved. Simple as that.